Greg Fields with us at the desk, and we're already seeing that rain across our area this morning, but we're not thinking about anything severe. Right?
Yeah, that threat is very low for us. That's really going to be down into southeast Texas, down into central Texas, but widespread rain in Ellis County. In fact, right now we're going to show you radar going to cause problems if you're traveling today as well out at the airport. We've been talking about this 85-minute delays for inbound flights out at DFW Airport this morning. So if you have someone trying to get back into town today, they are going to be held up where they are with the showers and storms beginning to move in, and they will increase in coverage. So I think we will have a few more disruptions as we go through the day out at the area airports. No delays right now out at Love Field. You see the cloudy skies, though, and we do have some showers out there moving into Dallas County right now, heading out into Tarrant County as well. Picks up a little bit as you get out north of Fort Worth right now, pushing up towards South Lake, and we will have some showers that will move right over DFW Airport here in the next 30 minutes or so, and you see heading out toward Azle as well. Now, a little farther south, as I mentioned, down into Ellis County, some heavier rain moving into that area right now from Waxahachie back toward Midlothian, down toward Italy. You've seen some heavy rain moving over toward Ennis right now. We still have that flash flood warning in effect, too, a little farther south for Hill, Limestone, Navarro counties until 8:30 here this morning. The heavier rain beginning to shift out of that area, moving over toward Athens and Palestine right now. So that will continue to lift north and east here as we go through this morning, giving you the broader view around North Texas. You see the widespread rain and thunderstorms pushing up out of central Texas right now. So we will have the periods of showers and storms beginning now, and they will continue throughout the day, heading on into the next couple of days. In fact, as we get into our timecast heading toward midday today, still going to have some showers and storms around. So it's going to be wet kind of off and on throughout much of the day today. And I think the drive home later today, still looking at some scattered showers, probably a little bit heavier, though, south and east of Dallas and Fort Worth for that drive home later today. That moves out, so maybe a little bit of a lull as we get into the evening hours here for tonight. But then the next round of what could be some widespread heavier rain and storms will move in overnight tonight, heading into early tomorrow. So be prepared for another wet commute tomorrow, it looks like, with a little bit heavier rain moving in as we head towards 7 a.m. That continues through the morning commute tomorrow through about midday. Then that begins to shift a little farther east as we go through the day on Thursday, but we'll still have plenty of showers around, I think, even as we head into Thursday evening. Starting to taper off some as we get into Thursday night, but that flood watch through at least Thursday evening right now. So we are talking about maybe 2 to 4 inches of rain in some areas. Some locally higher amounts can't be ruled out, as we'll have maybe some 5-inch plus, especially south and east of the Metroplex, getting down into central Texas as we go through the next couple of days. So yes, flooding is going to be maybe a bigger concern as far as the severe weather threat. That's going to stay quite low for us, but flooding a bigger concern, and you see that rainfall forecast through at least Sunday with the higher amounts a little farther south and east. So we're still going to see some rain and storms around even as we get into the weekend, but the coverage will be much lower. Going to be looking at those temperatures that start to climb during that time as well. So the widespread rain and storms today, tonight, right through tomorrow begins to taper off. So by Friday, we'll see those temperatures climbing probably back into the upper 80s, about a 30% coverage with the showers and storms by then. And then as we head into Saturday, Sunday on Father's Day, going to hold on right now to a slight chance, 20% coverage for some showers and storms. So maybe for if you're taking the dad out on Sunday afternoon, we're going to have maybe a few showers and storms around. Those temperatures do start to climb a little bit, those lower 90s. And then as we head toward the second half of next week, the second half of that 14-day forecast, looking at those temperatures, they climb a little bit more, maybe some low mid 90s with the drier weather on the way. All right.